Hey affiliates, I'm Donald with ClickFlare. Ever wanted to send mobile traffic to one offer and desktop traffic to another using a single campaign link? Or protect your money pages from spy tools and bots? That's what Conditional Paths do. And in this video, I'll show you how to set them up. If you've filled out your campaign info, head to the Destination tab, and you'll see your default path. This is where everyone goes if they don't match any rules. To create a rule, click Add Conditional Path, and first, give your path a clear name. I'll call this one US Mobile Traffic. So I always know what it does at a glance. Now click Add Condition. You've got over 40 criteria to choose from. I'll select country, set it to ease, and choose United States. Click Apply. Want to get more specific? Add another condition. I'll select device type, set it to ease, mobile, and click Apply. Now, here's the important part. You stack conditions inside one path. ClickFlare uses AND logic. So the visitor has to match both rules. So this path only catches visitors who are from the US and on mobile. If you want OR logic, let's say US or Canada, don't stack them. Create a separate conditional path for each one like so. Okay, now tell ClickFlare where these visitors should go. So select your path destination. I'll go with lenders and offers. I'll choose lender, like the offer, and click save. So I got my first conditional path here. Now everyone who matches the rule or these rules will go through this path. Everyone else will fall back to the default path. Now, here's one of my favorite ways to use this feature for protection. Let's create a path with external ID as a condition. So click New Condition, External ID, include empty external ID, and on the text area field, type double quotes. Click Apply. Now, what this does is that every visit that comes from a spy tool or a bot traffic likely will come without an external click ID, without an add click ID. So every time that field is empty, they will be sent to your safe page. Real visitors from your ads will always carry an add click ID and they'll go to the default path, but bots and spy tools usually don't. So after you add the condition, add the safe offer and click save. One last thing to remember, ClickFlare checks your paths from top to bottom, and the first match wins. So put your most important rules like the bot filter at the top. If you want to change it, you just drag and drop the conditional paths and you're good to go. When you're done, click save. And that's it. You're now running smarter, more protected campaigns with a single link. If you get stuck, hit the support icon at the bottom left to start a new chat and the team will help you. Thanks for watching.